Hey y'all, it's Ari here coming to you with the eyebrow tutorial. First things first, we're going to start out with this Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer pencil. It's in the shade Deep Brown. I went on ahead and did one of my eyebrows. Take your spoolie and brush those eyebrow hairs in the same direction. Now go ahead and outline your eyebrows. Start at the bottom. You see my eyebrows are pretty sparse and thin at the end, so I pretty much have to create the eyebrow that I want. Now outline the top. And I like to do this with a very light hand. Go in and fill them in to your desired liking. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer. Now take that spoolie again and go in and rake that product through those eyebrow hairs. You want to get all those harsh lines out of your eyebrow. So just rake it to your liking. Basically here I'm just making sure I have the exact shape that I want. Your eyebrows aren't supposed to be twins, but they are supposed to be sisters. So yeah, you want them pretty much alike as much as possible. Now take your favorite concealer. I like to use the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color medium beige because it's like close to my skin tone. You want to use a flat brush and just go ahead and clean up that brow. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. Now here you want to take some eyebrow gel and rake it through the front of that eyebrow on through it. This basically just sets those eyebrow hairs into place and it makes your eyebrow actually look a lot better. Now you want to go in there with that brush and clean up those harsh concealer lines. I just basically go in and pretty much swipe it away. Then once I'm done with that, I just take my finger and pretty much dab it into my skin. I don't know why I like to do this over using like a brush to blend it in. I just feel like this works better for me. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.